In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Corolla key fob to change the internal battery at home. This is a very easy process. You will just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR 2016 batteries. Now, if you don't know where to get one of those, or you just like to get one online, I will leave a link down in the description here on YouTube to get one on Amazon. It is just a couple of bucks, come right to your door. So go ahead and check that out if you are interested. The first step in opening up this device is to just look up at the top here. You can see there is a little slot in the plastic right along this seam. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and just holding the device loosely in our hand, we want to twist the screwdriver, and you will hear it crack open. You can now, take this apart, set the back to the side, and from here, if you have the key ring, the bottom of the device facing up, you can actually just push on the bottom of your battery and it will pop right out. Show you that one more time. See how it's oriented? Bottom of the battery here. Just push and it will come right out. Super easy. Again, you just need one of these 2016 batteries, and that link will be in the description if you are interested. And make sure this positive side, the one with the plus on it, goes face up. Just click that into place. It goes in there. Make sure it's sitting flat, and you can just finish this up by clicking the back into place. Just snaps on very easily, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's super easy. I hope that helped you out, and if it did, let me know down in the comments, or you can just give this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your changing the battery in another one of your key fobs, we have tutorials for pretty much every device for every maker model here on this YouTube channel, and you can also check us out directly at fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.